guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so exciting. I'm like living for this collection. We're gonna be playing around with the new Colourpop and Powerpuff Girls collection. I am so excited. I love Powerpuff Girls, so like this is like right up my alley. I feel like Colourpop has just been like coming out with like the collabs that just like really speak to my soul. I love Powerpuff Girls. Favorite was always Buttercup and Bubbles as well. I like all three of them, but like Buttercup is like, that's my girl. So I'm gonna be doing swatches, a tutorial, giving you guys my review. You guys know the drill. So this collection is launching on July 14th at 10 a.m. PST. My code will be working on this collection. 99% sure. I got the email about it this morning. So you guys can use my code. It is just KATRINA. It'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. I'll leave it down below for you guys if you guys do want to use it. If you do, I really appreciate it. So thank you. Yeah, so let's go ahead and just jump right into it. I don't want this video to be too long. First thing that we have in this collection is the palette, and this is how it looks with the unicarton, and then you take it out. This is what the unicarton looks like, and then this is what the palette looks like. It has all three girls on it. Open it up. This is a 12 pan palette, but it is a little bit bigger than like the normal one, so like the pan size are a little bit bigger. The mirror in here is huge. So this is what the inside looks like, and I believe this collection is all vegan. There are a mixture of mattes, shimmers, and there are some pressed glitters in here as well. I want to let you guys know that because I know a lot of you guys want to know about the pressed glitters in there. So there are 2 of them, I believe. Yeah, just 2 out of the 12. So I don't think that's too bad. But yeah, I wanted to let you guys know. But that is what the palette looks like. There are a few neutrals in here, but we do have like the signature pink, green, and blue. I don't have any prices as of right now. Usually they just kind of put the prices up when the collection launches, so I will update that down below once they are live. So the next thing that we have in the collection are 2 pressed powder blushes. These are so cute. Each blush has a different design on it, and then the unicarton does have that same like heart little design on it. Blush that we have is Saving the World, and this one is like, they're literally so cute. They're in the shape of a heart, and this one is like a peachy blush. They both are matte blushes, and yeah, so that is Saving the World. And then the next one that we have, I'm super excited about. This one is called Fighting Crime, which I love the name. This is like a hot pink blush. I'm so excited to see this because I know this will look so pretty on deeper skin tones, and also like I feel like I could even probably make it work like if I take like just a little bit, and if it doesn't work on like my skin tone, I can definitely use it as an eyeshadow because you guys know I love my pink eyeshadow. So that is the blush, and I love the packaging on this. I love both colors so much. What we have in the collection are some roller glosses, and I'm sure you could buy these individually. I have like the little set right here, so there are 3 of them in here. Each one is like Blossom, Buttercup, and Bubbles. If you guys have tried the roller glosses before, they're pretty sheer. They're just like a clear gloss, and these are like no different. They do have like a fruity scent to them. As the day was saved thanks to these brand new roller gloss shades inspired by the Super Sisters themselves. I didn't notice too much of a shade to them. They look pretty clear to me. They do have different flavors or scents. Blossom is watermelon, so that's the one that I have on right now. I was like, why does it smell so good? But it's watermelon. Buttercup is green apple, and then Bubbles is blue raspberry. So that is the roller glosses. We have 3 shades of the Colour Stix, and I love the packaging on these. It says that these were inspired by your favorite supervillains. These brand new Colour Stix will add the perfect punch to your look, and I'm so glad that they did the villains and not just like another Bubbles, Buttercup, and Blossom. I love that they did the villains because I love these characters, so I'm so excited to see them like in a product. So we have Princess Morbucks, Mojo Jojo, and him. I love him, so I was so excited to see that. So they just come in like the cute little packaging like this. They just say Powerpuff Girls and Colourpop on them. Those are the 3 Colour Stix. Next we have some lip mask from 4th Ray Beauty. We have Sugar and Spice and Everything Nice. One is blue, one is pink. We have the little lip mask duo. I'm not sure if these will be sold individually or not. I feel like they probably will, but I have like the little duo right here. And it just says it's the Ultra Superpowers Lip Mask Duo. Super cute. I've used a lip mask before. They're really nice. So those are the lip masks in the collection. We have a Soul Body product in here, and this is the Bubble Bath Bar. It says that after a long day of fighting crime, relax with our brand new star-shaped Bubble Bath Bar. So it just comes in like a really cute star shape. It smells really good. Like when I opened the box, it was like the first thing that I smelled, and I was like, oh my god, it smells really, really nice. I don't know like what the scent is. I can't like really pinpoint it, but it smells good. And it comes in a cute little like Powerpuff Girls packaging. They're like fighting Mojo Jojo on it, which is so cute. So that is the bubble bath bar. Last but not least, we do have some hair clips in here. I'm so excited that they've been doing like more like hair clips in collections. Like they just did it with like the Cherry Crush collection. So we have one of each little girl. We have Bubbles, Blossom, and Buttercup, and they do say Colourpop on it, which I think is so cute. They're just like little snap clips. They're cute. They just, you know, snap. They're those kind of clips. It says, getting ready to save the world just got easier with the sweetest hair clips featuring your favorite sisters. So that is everything in this collection. We'll link everything down below for you guys. And like I said, my code should be working on this collection, so if you guys want to use it, you can. This is a look that I came up with today using the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on this collection, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and start off with the palette. I'm so excited. It's so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and start off. I'm actually going to do green. I thought I was going to do blue. I'm going to do green on the top part at least. So I'm going in with Silco. And I'm just going to take that shade and pretty much build this up into the crease. I wish that there was more darker shades of green and blue to like kind of create more of a look and not just have like one matte eyeshadow, but it's okay. Actually, this color is actually really pigmented, so I'm just gonna pack this shade on. I'm just putting this shade everywhere, honestly. I like a look in mine, but I feel like I'm slowly changing my mind as I'm doing my makeup, so I'm keeping this green on and like the crease and stuff, and then I'm gonna go in with the pink shade. I'm actually gonna put this on my lid. Hopefully this looks fine. I'm taking the Fashionistas. I'm gonna put that on the inner part of my eye slash lid. I hate that. Let me... That was not it. That was not the vibe that I was going for. Let me take that off really quick. Just took that pink off with some micellar water really quick. It's gonna look a lot better than it did. I think the pink was like a little too dark for the lid, but we're gonna just roll with it. I literally like am so busy today that I don't have time to like redo it, but I feel like it looks fine. Like I just put a little bit of concealer to cover that pink up, but I'm gonna take Chemical X. I'm gonna put that on my lid, and I'm gonna go in with like another shimmer on the lid too. Ooh, that's really pretty. I think I actually might just take that all over the lid, to be honest. That's a really pretty green. I'm just kind of bringing that green a little bit outwards and just go back on the lid. Also going to take a little bit of Townsville, which is this shade right here, to kind of brighten it up. Pressed glitter is actually really pretty. You guys know I'm not like a huge fan of the pressed glitters, but this one's really nice. Actually like really brightened up the inner corner as well. It looks really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation really quick, and then we'll move on to the rest of the products, and I'll finish up the lower lash line later. I'm gonna use the pink and the blue. I really want it to look like Powerpuff Girls, you know? But yeah, I'll be right back. I went ahead and just did my foundation and bronzer really quick, so we're gonna use one of the blushes. There are two. There's like a really bright pink one, and this one, which I'm so excited for. This is like right up my alley. It's like a pretty like peachy blush, which is my favorite. So this one is called Saving the World, and I love the packaging on this one. It's so cute. So I'm just gonna apply this blush really quick. So pretty. I wish it was shimmery, but it's okay. It's matte. I'm not mad at it. That's very intense. These are very pigmented. That was a lot more pigmented than I thought. It's okay. We're fine. We'll make it work. But it's really pretty. I love this color blush. My favorite. Let me go ahead and bake really quick. I'm also going to kind of tone this blush down a little bit with some powder. I'm just using my Fenty setting powder just to kind of go over that a little bit, tone it down just a tad. And just I'm baking in the meantime. We're gonna do the lower lash line. I'm so excited. I'm gonna use one of the Colour Stix. I think I'm gonna use Mojo Jojo because I love this color and I love Mojo Jojo. It's like such a pretty green. If you guys couldn't tell, I'm like feeling all the green right now. And I love Buttercup, so I feel like I have to, but I'm gonna just use this on my waterline. I know these are like Colour Stix. I could have used them on my lid, but oh well. So these are a little glittery, so if that's something that bothers your eyes, just keep that in mind. It's not really bothering me too much, but I do feel like these are more for like on the actual eye more so than like in the waterline, you know, but oh well, it's fine. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to put blue on the outer corner and then pink on the inner part of my lower lash line. So I'm going to go ahead and take Naughty Rough Boys, which is that shade right there. It's the matte blue. And I'm going to put this on the outer portion. I'm also kind of connecting that to the top up here. All the colors are really, really pigmented, so that's really nice. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the Fashionistas, which is the matte pink. I'm going to put that on the inner part. This pink is so pretty. It's super, super pigmented. I'm going to go back a little bit with the blue just to kind of blend that. For my inner corner, I'm going to use Professor Utonia, which is this like shimmery pink. This is just a shimmer. It's not a pressed glitter. And I'm just putting that the inner corner. I can't use the lip mask today, but I've used them before. They're nice, but they are in the collection. So we only have like the roller gloss left, so I'm gonna go ahead and just finish up the rest of my makeup, and then I'll come back and use one of the glosses, and then I will give you guys my final thoughts on everything. So okay, lashes are on, so all we have left are the glosses, and these are the roller glosses, so these are usually pretty sheer. I don't really think each one like really matters what color I use, but I'm gonna go ahead and just use Blossom. Maybe this one has a little bit more like a pinky tint to it, but usually these are like pretty clear. But they are really cute, and I think that's very fitting for this collection. And when I think of like when I was watching Powerpuff Girls, I was using roller glosses, so I'm gonna use Blossom. Let's see. Yeah, it is definitely clear. So if you want, you can definitely use a lip pencil with this. I am going to use a lip pencil actually. I'm going to use the House Labs Doll lip pencil. This is like my favorite pink kind of lip pencil. I'm just going to apply a little bit just to kind of give my lips some color. But I'm not like really lining them too much. And then I'm going to go in with the roller gloss. Oh, it smells really good. It smells fruity. Obviously, they're really sheer, but they're still cute, and like I said, it's very fitting for this collection. So let me go ahead and just dust off this powder really quick. So this is the finished look. Let me give you guys my final thoughts on this collection. So I really, really like it. I think it's super cute. I like the palette a lot. I love the packaging. I think it is so adorable. I also really like the size of this one as well. It is a little bit more of a bigger palette. The pan sizes are a little bit bigger. The mirror in here is like huge. It's a really good size palette. And I just love the like design on it. I think it's super cute. I do wish there was like less neutrals, like these ones I could do without. Like the shimmers, yeah, they're cute, but I wish there was like more of like the pink, blue, and green, like maybe like a little bit of a darker green, a darker blue, just to kind of like create more of a cohesive look using the colors. If I wanted like neutrals, I would just grab like another palette if I needed it, but this one, it's still really cute, and I think, you know, like it's still fine. Like I'm just being like a little nitpicky with it because you guys know how I feel about like neutrals and colorful palettes and stuff, but I still think it's really cute. And if you're a collector and you like Powerpuff Girls, and I don't think you'll be disappointed with the palette. The colors in here are super, super pigmented. They're vibrant. The shimmers are really nice. I know some people don't like the pressed glitter, so that might be like the only downside of the palette. There are 2 of them, but it is a 12-pound palette, so I don't think 2 out of 12 is too bad. My favorite things in the collection are the blushes. I think they are so adorable. I love the one that I use. I did tone it down just a little bit with some powder, but I love that they're nice and pigmented because that means, and you can kind of share them out as well, that just means they work on a little bit more of a like different skin tones. This bright pink blush is seriously so pretty. I'm a little scared to use it as a blush, but like I definitely know I can like make it work, but I'm excited to use it as an eyeshadow. But I'm also excited to see this because I know this will work on a lot of deeper skin tones as well. And I absolutely love this like peachy one. So pretty. I think if you're going to pick anything up in the collection, I definitely would say the blushes are my favorite thing by far. I really like the Colour Stix. I love that they did the characters that they did for it. I love that they didn't just do like another like Blossom, Buttercup, and Bubbles. Like I like that they used other characters, so like they did him, they did Mojo Jojo, and they did Princess Morbucks. So I love that they added those extra characters because I love them and they're super cute. I love the colors of them, really pretty. So I definitely would also recommend picking these up too. Roller Gloss set is adorable. This isn't like something that I reach for very often, but like I like to see it in the collection. Like I said earlier, I think it's very fitting. Like when I personally was like watching Powerpuff Girls, and when I was like that age, I definitely had like roller glosses. So it's just like more of like a nostalgia thing. The packaging on it is really cute. It has each like character on it, and I like the little box set that it comes in as well. I love these little clips. They're so cute. I love that they have each character on them, but I also like that they say Colourpop on them as well. I definitely would say if you like hair clips or anything, this is so cute. I love them. I love them so much, and I don't know why, but like just having like the Colourpop on there just like makes it that much cuter. But yeah, definitely would say if you like things like this, I would definitely pick them up. Overall, I think it's such a cute collection. I love that they did Powerpuff Girls. I would love to see more like Cartoon Network things from Colourpop. I love Cartoon Network, so I'm like, give me all of it. Like I will take it all. So this is super cute. I'm glad they also did like the OG Powerpuff Girls, and this wasn't like something for like the new reboot that they're doing. I've seen some things with the reboot. I'm not like a huge fan of it, but I'm glad that they did like the OG. Super cute. I love it. And like I said, if you're a collector, I definitely would like pick some things up. I don't think you need like everything in this collection, but I definitely would say like the palettes and the blushes are like the two things that I would recommend the most. I will list everything down below for you guys. I'll link it when it is available. My code will work on this collection, so if you guys want to save some money, you guys can use my code on it, and I will also link that down below for you. So anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.